Hi everyone and welcome to NameHero.com. We've got an exciting announcement that I'm going to share with everyone here on our YouTube channel. Our VPS hosting packages now all have the option to be upgraded with Nginx web server. I know we've been internally testing this for quite some time, and it's something that we've wanted to offer, but it's all about finding the right partner to offer this to our end users and to our customers. So if you scroll down here and look, we pride ourselves at NameHero to having some of the best prices in the industry on VPSs. I mean, really, for a 4 gigabyte VPS, this is great for a lot of mid-sized to even larger websites out there that are reaching over 5,000 or more visitors a day. For $37.46 a month, I mean, I really don't think you're going to find a deal that's better than this, that includes SSD storage protected by RAID 10, that also is scalable in the cloud and has our free DDoS protection on it. So it's got all these features along with a free cPanel license. Now, it's important to note that these configurations here come standard with Apache or Apache, however you say it. And that's just because that's what is bundled default with cPanel and Web Host Manager, and so there's no additional licensing involved in there. So if we click through here, I'm going to click on this as an example, and I'm going to enter just an example domain. I'm going to enter namehero.org. Just so I can show you this. So you can see when we go to configure the server, we can scroll down here, and the discount's applied on the end, by the way. See, discount's applied at the end. We'll scroll down here, and you can see Apache is free, and we've had the option to do Lightspeed. So we're going to keep that option, of course, because we have a lot of customers that love Lightspeed, but Lightspeed's a little bit expensive because these are the monthly cost. So for CP Nginx, the Nginx web server, it's $10 a month. So again, that's a really affordable price. And our team will install CP Nginx, and they will help you configure it, or they will configure the whole thing for you. If you head over here to our announcements page, you can read about our official announcement of partnering with Syslink Technologies. We're no stranger to Syslink Technologies. We've been working with them on their CP Remote product, but now we're offering their cPanel Nginx plugin. So here's their official site. It's called cpnginx.com. And you can read a little bit about this CP Nginx web server and the Nginx web server itself and what all it does. You're probably, if you're watching this and you're already a server nerd like I am, you know that Nginx is just tremendous performance advantages over Apache. It's kind of about the same in terms of light speed versus Nginx performance-wise, but it's just a lot more cost-effective. It's not as expensive. We all know the regular Nginx web server is free, but to actually get it compatible with cPanel, there's a little bit more customization, which is the reason why we've chosen CP Nginx to be our partner to offer this to our VPS hosting packages. So it's not only the Nginx web server. You can see it's got app templates, so specific Nginx templates for your website. So say you're using WordPress, it's got a template ready. It's got multiple PHP, so PHP 7, PHP 6, PHP 5, or 5.6, or PHP 7, whatever you're going to use, it's ready for that. They've got a firewall, which helps protect against DDoS attacks and all that, and of course the multi-web cache, which is a tremendous benefit, and that's where your performance is really going to thrive. If we scroll down here, you can see the app templates, not only WordPress, but Joomla, Drupal, OpenCart. So basically, the web server has just been optimized for these specific templates. So you can see WordPress is configured with Nginx, PHP FPM, which is kind of replaced the FCGI and FCGI cache, and Google PageSpeed. So this is tremendous advantage as far as how fast your WordPress is going to load. If you're using WordPress, you're going to have a tremendous performance advantage using this template. If we scroll on here, we can see about the multi-PHP FPM. We all know this is a tremendous advantage to using Nginx as well. You can go all the way up to 7.1 with PHP. We know 5.6 is quickly reaching the end of life, but 7.0, 7.1 are here. You can have multi-PHP for a single user. So if an individual domain or subdomain needs a different cPanel version, you're not server specific, You can run cPanel provision PHP packages, which is another huge benefit. You can go down here and look at the firewall. So not only DDoS protection, which we also provide on a server level at NameHero, but also we've got a couple more. It's got a couple more features to help you protect you from, like the refer spam. I know this is huge around the election time, and the Russians got into that, but a lot of different protections in their firewall, and of course the multi-web cache. I thought this is really cool that they use Google PageSpeed to help cache and use a CDN. So that's a tremendous advantage there as well. And then also the proxy caching, which is a tremendous advantage there as well. So you're going to get all these features, and you just simply select this here. Now, once your VPS is deployed, our team actually has to manually log in and configure everything for you. We get it done within 24 working hours, but it will not interrupt your web server. So you can get going. You can start using your server immediately, and our team will get in there and make the appropriate changes and let you know when it is finished. But we ask you, please allow 24 hours. Most of the time, it's much sooner, but we just do ask just in case we run into something. But this has been added. We've also added some additional features into our VPSs, such as Cloudflare. If you want us to install the Cloudflare plugin, if you have over 8 gigabytes of RAM, we can also install the Railgun. We also now have malware scanning with our VPSs, so you can add the malware scanner for $7 a month, which is highly recommended if you're using a lot of WordPress sites, because this piece of software will actually scan your server automatically each night and make sure you don't have any malware. We also have Cloud Linux, so especially if you're those of you that are offering web hosting, Cloud Linux is huge, and you can add that for $24 a month. 2 IPs included free, 5 terabytes of outgoing bandwidth. Incoming bandwidth is always free at NameHero. Then, of course, you want to add backups, you can do that. So I'm really excited to get this rolled out. Wanted to definitely put this on our YouTube channel, let our YouTube community know that now you can have Nginx on cPanel and Web Host Manager. I know that's something that's been widely discussed in the industry for quite some time. People were building servers, but they wanted cPanel and Web Host Manager, but they also wanted Nginx. So a number of different plugins have came about, but there's some good ones, there's some bad ones, and there's some fair ones. In my opinion, that this one here that we've partnered with, cPanel is the best, and I stand behind that. So we're pleased to offer this to you. It's $10 a month, so if you want to add it, feel free to. If not, you can stay with Apache. You don't have to, of course, and then if you want to use Lightspeed, that's available to you as well. So if you have any questions, feel free to let us know. Reach out to our team. We're available 24/7 via live chat, telephone, or ticket support, and we can help kind of guide you in the right direction. But thanks a bunch for watching, and enjoy using Nginx on cPanel and Web Host Manager.